you do it? Oh, because he's eating it. You missed that.
I got it.
This is not as good as the yellow stuff, he says. I'm running out of self-restraint, by the way.
Denver.
I'm just running out, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, no!
Get up.
He said I can't move.
Like, wait a minute, am I allowed down here?
Denver.
What?
Yeah, they were making a snowman.
Braden's first snowman right here. Ugly as hell.
They were making a UK snowman down the road. Ooh.